Hello friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about format cells. What is the format cell? Suppose we have the data, we want to format the cell. What are the formats are available? There are two methods we can go. One is manual method. What is a manual method? We can go by using of mouse, go to home menu, go to the format. So go to the format cells. So whatever you want, you can do in the format cells. This is the manual method. Home tab and format ribbon. Finally, format cells. So whatever you want to do the format cells, you can do. Instead of doing manual method, we can use the shortcut. We can use the shortcut for control plus 1. Control plus 1. So if you press control 1, you can go to the format cell directly. Number 1. No, you want to know the what are the formatting we have. So normally we know already everything. We have the formats, everything, number format, currency format. This is all easy one. Now we are going to take about alignment format. What are the alignment formats are available? What are the alignment formats are available? If you want to, so this is the format cell option. This is the home menu option. So everything available here itself. If you want to align the data, suppose I'm giving one example. I'm removing the data. This is not required now, or hide the data. This is the data available. Okay, this is the data available. You want to align the data. You can go there, or you want to align left alignment, right alignment. Suppose this is the data available. You want this is the actual data available. You want to align in the it is already in the left side alignment. You can align right side, center alignment, and right side alignment. Everything you can do. This is the alignment option directly available in the ribbon itself. The same way, you want to have the wrap and test. You want to have the wrap test. You have the data. Lifelong learning is very important. This is one data. Clear? So you have the data like this, and then you are going to do further data. It's not easy one. I am giving easy one. I am giving the name. For example, Raja, Raghava, Raghavendra, Prasanna Kumari. I'm giving like this. So if you see Raja, it is coming under the single column. But if you see the L column, the Raghava name is within this. Suppose if you see the M column, the Prasanna Kumari name is exceed the name. So if you want to auto adjust the text, you can write, you can select the column, you can auto adjust like this. So automatically the width has been automatically adjusted. This is one method. Suppose you have the multiple column. You have the multiple column. I'm removing all. You have the multiple column. The name continuously coming like this. So you don't have the space. You don't have the space to give everything. Suppose you want to align like this. So you are wasting your space, correct? You are wasting your space. So if you have the multiple data, multiple column data, normally I am using 6 names only, but total screen has been taken. At this time of situation, suppose I am taking this, at this time of situation, we don't want to auto adjust. We don't want to auto adjust. We have to consolidate. We have to compress the data. We can compress the data. How do we compress? There are two ways. There are two ways. So you have to select the data. You have to select the data. Go to the format cell. Go to the format cell. Go to the format cell. Control 1. you go to string to fit. So automatically your font will be adjusted to the string to fit. So automatically the font will be adjusted. Now you can see it is called a string to fit. So you want to adjust the data. You want to adjust the data. You don't want to precise. You don't want to Prasanna Kumari to Prasanna. No. You want to have the same name. You can string to fit. You can use string to fit. If you want, you can remove it. Suppose I don't want to make string to fit. I can wrap the text. The same font will be coming. I can wrap the text like this. So I have to select the data, entire data. I can go here or I can go to the format cell, select wrap text. So everything will be covered in the wrap text. Everything will be covered. So you can adjust whatever you want. You can adjust Prasanna Kumari. So you can adjust manually also. So you can wrap the text and then you can adjust manually also. This is the option. So what is the first option? Wrap text. If you want, you can wrap text, or if you want, you can string the text. String to fit. SHRINK, string to fit. Okay. No, I don't want this method. I don't want. So I can go there. Instead of wrap text, I can go to string to fit. This is one method. So whatever you want, you can do that. So wrap test we have learned, and then string to fit we have learned. So this is the way. Wrap test. What is the shortcut key? Do you want to know the shortcut key? You can learn it. If you want to know, Alt H plus W. So this is the shortcut key for wrap test. You want to wrap test. This is, so you have to. This is the data. You want to wrap test. So this is already available in the string to fit. So we have to remove string to fit first. Go to the normal data. Now we are going to use wrap test. Alt H W. If we want to remove, Alt H W, you can remove it. So this is the usage of wrap test and string to fit. So what are the things are available in the format cell? We can align the left alignment, right alignment, everybody knows. So this is the new thing. We can have a two option. If we have the data, now I am giving the practical example. This is the data available. Okay. Now I'm having the string like this. So I can wrap test Alt H W. So instead of doing so, I can wrap it here. So wherever I want, I can wrap it here. Clear? This is one method. Suppose you don't want to wrap it. So control is it. I can make it everything remove. Clear? Now you don't want to make it like this. You go there, select and go to string to fit. So everything will be coming into the small place. So there are two ways, wrap test or string to fit. I hope you are all enjoyed the videos, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video.